I'm a firm believer in putting time and effort into establishing a solid online income. But today, I'm excited to show you 7 ways that are not only incredibly lazy, but also highly effective for making money from anywhere in the world. These methods can generate passive income without requiring any prior experience or significant initial investments. Stick with me throughout this video, and I'll even share a bonus strategy at the end. A method that helped me generate just under $20,000 in a single week. So, let's dive into these 7 fantastic approaches. Method 1. Guru.com for easy proofreading income. Guru.com, a freelancing platform, offers an easy way to earn money through proofreading. People are willing to pay from $15 to $100 per hour for proofreading services. The twist here is that you can use AI tools like ChatGPT for the heavy lifting. Visit chat.openai.com, create a free account, paste the text to be proofread, and let ChatGPT work its magic. In seconds, you get an error-free, polished text to deliver to your clients, earning you money. This method can be scaled for consistent monthly income, potentially reaching $1,000 to $3,000. Method 2. Rev.com, transforming transcription into passive income. Rev.com offers another effortless way to make money by transcribing audio content. They pay anywhere from $0.30 to $1 per minute of audio transcribed. To make it even easier, consider using AI tools like Rhythmix to automate the transcription process. Just upload the audio file, and Rhythmix does the work for you. Efficiently delivering transcriptions can earn you upwards of $60 for 30 minutes of content. Method 3. YouTube content and Script AI. Generating passive income through YouTube involves creating engaging content. You can streamline this with Script AI, which generates YouTube scripts. Answer a few questions about the video you want to make, and the AI generates a professional script for you. Additionally, 11Luck provides human-like voiceovers, crucial for faceless videos. With AI video editing services like NVIDIA.ai, you can add visuals. Monetize your videos through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, making it a truly passive income stream. Method 4. Like-for-like bot and social media engagement. Our next method involves a website called likeforlike.org. This unique platform credits you for engaging with other people's social media posts. By simply liking someone else's post using likeforlike.org, you'll receive credits that you can use to boost engagement on your own social media accounts. This engagement could be in the form of likes, comments, or follows, and is compatible with various social media platforms, including TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, and LinkedIn. Now, the passive income part comes in by employing a like-for-like bot. This bot automatically engages with other content on your behalf, accumulating credits for you. You might be wondering how this translates into money making. Well, you won't be monetizing directly from liking others' posts. Instead, you'll be building niche social media accounts that attract followers. Here's the strategy. You create a social media account centered around a specific topic or niche. This could be anything from fitness and relationships to spirituality or making money online. Using the credits earned through likeforlike.org, you bolster your niche social media account. You gain followers, likes, and comments, making your account more appealing to your target audience. Once your account reaches a substantial size, such as 10,000 followers or more, you can sell it to others looking to establish a presence in your niche. Platforms like FameSwap are designed for this purpose, allowing you to list your social media accounts for sale. The demand for established niche accounts is high, and people are willing to pay considerable amounts for them. It's a side hustle that requires minimal daily effort, and you can leverage automation to build these accounts. So, while it may sound like lazy income, it's a clever way to generate substantial returns. Method 5. Effortless website building with 10web.io. 10web.io is an AI website builder that simplifies website creation. You can offer websites to businesses, charging a substantial fee for your efficient service. Automation and AI give you the upper hand, allowing you to increase your income significantly by taking on more jobs. Method 6. Lucrative podcast editing with clean voice. Our next method delves into podcast editing, which is currently in high demand. Podcasts are a booming form of content, and as the industry grows, so does the need for professional podcast editors. Individuals and businesses are willing to pay handsomely for top-notch editing services. Some professionals are charging $60 for basic podcast edits, while premium packages can cost over $100. But it gets even better. On other freelancing platforms, podcast editors are charging even more, with rates going up to $200 to $300 for their services. Now, the exciting part is that you don't need to manually edit these podcasts. We'll utilize AI tools to simplify and streamline the process. An excellent tool for this is Clean Voice, which is specifically designed to edit podcast audio and video content. It's an artificial intelligence tool that can eliminate background noise, stuttering, and mouse clicks while enhancing sound quality. The beautiful thing about Clean Voice is that it does all of this in seconds. You simply upload the audio file to Clean Voice, and it processes the content for you, enhancing its quality and eliminating imperfections. Once the AI is done, you can send the edited audio back to your clients, and you'll be compensated for your work. What sets you apart is your efficiency. You can deliver results much faster than those who manually edit podcasts. Your clients will appreciate the quick turnaround, which not only keeps them satisfied, but also makes you more competitive in the market. As the podcast industry continues to thrive, this method presents an excellent opportunity for generating passive income. Method 7. Going viral with YouTube Shorts and affiliate marketing. Our final method focuses on YouTube Shorts and affiliate marketing, an approach I've personally used to generate substantial income. YouTube Shorts is a format of short, engaging videos designed for quick consumption. These videos have a knack for going viral, attracting hundreds of thousands of views, and delivering 4 to 5-figure monthly incomes. Here's a brief overview of how to make it work for you. 1. Visit clickandshort.com. This website can help you generate viral content within seconds, expanding your reach and saving time. It's a valuable tool to create engaging short-form videos for social media platforms. 2. Copy viral video content. To maximize your chances of going viral, start with a popular, trending video. Find a video in your niche that's already gaining attention on YouTube. 3. Automate video creation. Use an AI tool to create the video content. You won't have to appear on camera. Instead, you'll leverage the AI to voice over your script. 4. Distribute your content. Post the short video content you've created on various social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, TikTok, and more. Now, here's where affiliate marketing comes into play. While you're not directly monetizing from YouTube ad revenue through YouTube Partner Program, you can leverage affiliate marketing to make money. After watching your videos and gaining value from them, viewers may click on the affiliate links you provide in your video descriptions and make purchases. You earn a commission on these sales, allowing you to monetize your viral content. These methods offer fantastic opportunities for generating passive income online with minimal effort and investment. Whether you're proofreading, transcribing, creating niche social media accounts, building websites with AI, editing podcasts, or leveraging YouTube Shorts and affiliate marketing, the potential for income is substantial. Work smarter, not harder, and make money even while you're not actively working. If you're inspired to try these methods, share your thoughts in the comments below, and consider subscribing to our channel for more money-making content. We're here to help you succeed, and would love to have you as part of our community.